The moment you arrive at LEBRON Beach, you're greeted by the warm, tropical air of Rio de Janeiro. There's a gentle breeze that carries the promise of adventure, and the sun seems to shine just a little brighter here. The anticipation builds as you step closer, feeling the soft sand beneath your feet and hearing the distant laughter of beachgoers. The scent of the ocean mixes with coconut sunscreen and grilled corn from nearby food stands. Vendors call out cheerfully, offering fresh coconuts and local treats, adding to the lively, welcoming atmosphere. The aroma is both comforting and exciting, a true taste of Rio's beach culture. The rhythmic sound of waves promises relaxation and escape from the busy world. Each wave seems to wash away stress, inviting you to let go and simply enjoy the moment. The soothing soundtrack of the ocean is nature's invitation to unwind. As you approach, a breathtaking view unfolds. Golden sand meeting the sparkling blue Atlantic, with the iconic Two Brothers Mountain standing tall in the distance. The scenery is so stunning, it almost feels surreal, like stepping into a painting. LEBRON's energy is calm and friendly, less crowded than Copacabana, and feels like a local secret. Here you can find your own quiet spot, away from the hustle, and truly connect with the spirit of Rio. Families and friends gather, laughter and smiles filling the air. Children build sandcastles, friends share stories, and everyone seems to be savoring the simple joys of life by the sea. You feel instantly welcome, even if it's your first visit. Locals greet you with genuine warmth, making you feel like you belong no matter where you're from. The vibrant colors, blue sky, ocean, umbrellas, and bright swimsuits create a feast for the eyes. Every corner of the beach is alive with energy and color, making it impossible not to smile. LEBRON invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and savor the moment. It's a place where time seems to pause, letting you fully appreciate the beauty around you. The whole scene feels like a living postcard. Every glance offers a new memory, a new reason to fall in love with this special place. Arriving here isn't just reaching a destination, it's stepping into a feeling of happiness and peace. The joy is contagious, and you can't help but feel uplifted by the atmosphere. The beauty and positive energy are impossible to resist. Every moment spent here feels like a celebration of life, sun, and sea. LEBRON Beach is a place that stays with you long after you leave. Its warmth, beauty, and spirit linger in your heart, calling you back again and again. Stepping onto LEBRON's sand is pure pleasure, soft, warm, and golden underfoot. The grains slip between your toes, cushioning each step and making you slow down, savoring the sensation. It's a gentle welcome, a reminder that you've left the city behind and entered a world shaped by sun and sea. Each step connects you to the beach, marking the true start of your day. Your footprints are the first marks on the untouched sand, a quiet claim to your own little piece of paradise. The wide beach offers plenty of space, so finding a perfect spot is easy. Whether you come early for solitude or later for the lively crowd, there's always room to stretch out and breathe. Choose to be close to the water for the cool spray, or near the kiosks for snacks and drinks. The beach is alive with options. Find your favorite rhythm, whether it's the sound of waves or laughter from nearby friends. The sand is clean and inviting, perfect for lounging or play. Children dig and build. Adults stretch out with books or simply close their eyes, letting the world drift away. The sun's warmth is balanced by a gentle ocean breeze, rustling palm trees and fluttering beach flags. The air is filled with the scent of salt and sunscreen, a blend that instantly relaxes you. This mix of sun and breeze makes for a comfortable afternoon. It's easy to lose track of time as you soak in the atmosphere, feeling both energized and at peace. At the water's edge, the sand turns cool and firm, and the waves refresh your feet. The gentle surf invites you to linger, to let the ocean's rhythm wash away any lingering stress. Standing where ocean meets land is a meditative experience. The endless horizon and rolling waves encourage reflection, grounding you in the present moment. Small shells and seaweed left by the tide reveal the beach's natural beauty. Each tide brings new treasures, tiny reminders of the ocean's constant movement and life. The simple act of walking the shore is deeply relaxing. With every step you feel lighter, as if the beach itself is helping you let go of worries. Every detail, from the sand to the sea, invites you to unwind. The harmony of colors, sounds, and textures creates a sense of peace that lingers long after you leave. LEBRON's charm is found in these small, perfect moments, each one a memory in the making, waiting for you to discover. Leblon Beach has its own soundtrack, a blend of ocean waves and joyful voices. The steady rhythm of the surf is both powerful and calming, the heartbeat of the beach. Children laugh and splash, friends chat under umbrellas, and the thud of soccer balls and volleyballs fills the air. Beach vendors call out in melodic voices, offering water, mate tea, and grilled cheese on a stick. Their calls are part of the local rhythm, never intrusive. Sometimes soft bossa nova or lively samba drifts from a speaker, blending with the natural sounds. The music adds to the relaxed, happy vibe. All these sounds, waves, laughter, vendors, music, create a unique symphony. It's a soundscape that's distinctly Rio. The atmosphere is lively, yet soothing. Leblon's rhythms make every visit memorable. No visit to Leblon Beach is complete without sampling the local snacks and drinks. The beach isn't just about sun and surf, it's a paradise for food lovers too. Here, eating is as much a part of the experience as swimming or relaxing on the sand. Vendors and kiosks, known locally as barracas, line the shore and offer a tempting variety of treats right on the sand. You'll spot their colorful umbrellas and hear their friendly calls as they pass by, making it easy to grab a bite without ever leaving your spot. One must-try snack is queijo coalho na brasa, grilled cheese on a stick. It's cooked over hot coals until the outside is golden and crispy, while the inside stays warm and chewy. The vendor might even sprinkle it with oregano, or brush it with a touch of honey for extra flavor. For refreshment, nothing beats sipping chilled coconut water straight from the coconut, the perfect way to cool off under the sun. Or try mat leão, a sweet, tangy iced tea, served ice-cold in a glass, often shared among friends as a symbol of Brazilian hospitality. Kiosks also serve acai bowls topped with crunchy granola and fresh banana, plus vibrant fruit salads, hearty sandwiches and pastéis. Crispy fried pastries filled with cheese, meat, or shrimp. There's something for every craving, whether you want something sweet or savory. And of course, you can order a classic caipirinha, Brazil's national cocktail, made with cachaça, lime, sugar, and plenty of ice. It's the ultimate beach drink, refreshing and full of tropical flavor. The convenience of having food and drinks brought right to your towel is part of what makes Leblon so special. You can relax, soak up the sun, and enjoy delicious bites without ever leaving your spot on the sand. Vendors are friendly and happy to chat, sharing stories or recommending their favorite snacks. Their warmth and hospitality add to the beach's welcoming vibe, making everyone feel at home. Eating at Leblon is about more than just food. It's about joining a cherished Rio tradition, sharing snacks with friends and family, laughing together, and soaking in the lively atmosphere is all part of the experience. The flavors and atmosphere are truly unforgettable, especially as the sun sets and the beach comes alive with music and laughter. Every bite connects you to the local culture, letting you taste the spirit of Rio in every mouthful. So take your time, relax, enjoy, and savor the unique tastes of the beach, letting the ocean breeze and vibrant flavors wash over you. It's a delicious part of the Leblon experience, and one you'll remember long after you leave the sand behind. Leblon Beach is a vibrant mix of people and activities. Families build sandcastles near the water, especially around Posto 12's family-friendly area, Baixo Bebê. Teenagers and young adults play sports, listen to music, and socialize. Beach volleyball and futevôlei, volleyball played without hands, are everywhere, showcasing impressive skill. Groups play altinha, keeping a soccer ball in the air with teamwork and agility. Others practice yoga or meditate by the water, especially during quieter hours. Joggers and walkers enjoy the iconic black and white promenade designed by Roberto Burle Marx. The beach is a public backyard for cariocas, a place to relax, exercise, and connect. The atmosphere is casual and welcoming with a strong sense of community. Friendly conversations with strangers are common. Leblon's spirit is warm and inclusive. It's more than a beautiful place, it's full of life. Every visit feels like joining a local celebration. At Leblon's far end, the Mirante do Leblon lookout offers one of Rio's best views. A wooden deck atop the rocks gives you a sweeping panorama of Leblon and Ipanema beaches. The black and white promenade, colorful umbrellas, and distant Sugarloaf Mountain create a stunning scene. It's the perfect spot for photos and soaking in Rio's beauty. The Mirante is especially popular at sunset when the sky glows with orange, pink, and purple. People gather to watch the sun dip below the horizon, sharing a peaceful, magical moment. Small kiosks offer cold drinks and snacks, so you can relax with a coconut water or caipirinha. The sound of waves crashing against the rocks adds to the atmosphere. Visiting the Mirante gives you a new perspective on Rio's coastline. It's a romantic, unforgettable experience. Start or end your beach day here for a perfect memory. The view alone is worth the trip. LEBRON Beach wasn't always the glamorous spot it is today. In the 1800s, it was remote farmland owned by Charles LeBlanc, the beach's namesake. The area transformed in the early 1900s with a canal and tram lines, making it accessible and ready for development. LeBlanc grew into an upscale neighborhood, attracting wealthy families and gaining a reputation for elegance and tranquility. The beach became a favorite for locals seeking a quieter alternative to Copacabana and Ipanema. Today LeBlanc is one of Rio's most desirable neighborhoods, but it retains its local charm. Its history is a story of transformation from rural land to world-class beach. Knowing this past adds depth to every visit. To enjoy LeBlanc Beach to the fullest, keep a few tips in mind. Leave valuables in your hotel safe and bring only essentials to the beach. Keep your belongings close and don't leave them unattended while swimming. LeBlanc is generally safe, but it's smart to stay aware. Getting there is easy. Take the metro to Antero de Quental, hop on a bus, or use a taxi or rideshare. Rent chairs and umbrellas from the barracas for comfort and convenience. These kiosks also offer snacks, drinks, and sometimes watch your things if you ask. The beach is divided by lifeguard posts. Posto 12 is great for families. Protect yourself from the strong Brazilian sun with sunscreen, a hat, and plenty of water. Visit in the morning or late afternoon to avoid the harshest sun. Following these tips ensures a safe, comfortable, and fun day. Enjoy the beauty and spirit of LeBlanc with peace of mind. Make every moment count. After a day at LeBlanc, you leave with more than just photos. You leave with a feeling. The peace of the waves, the joy of the crowd, and the warmth of the karaokas linger long after. LeBlanc's magic is its blend of relaxed sophistication and down-to-earth charm. It feels like a neighborhood beach, open and welcoming to all. The dramatic backdrop of the Two Brothers Mountains is unforgettable. Small moments, fresh coconut water, a foot volley game, a vendor's smile, a sunset at the Mirante, create lasting memories. These details connect you to the place and its culture. LeBlanc is about living the Rio lifestyle, nature, community, and simple pleasures. Whether swimming, playing, or just watching the world go by, happiness is guaranteed. LeBlanc invites you to return again and again. It's a place that truly stays in your heart.